Oh my God, look at that pile. I can't even see around you.
Wow!
What is that? Is that foam?
Yes, foam.
Cool.
How about this one? I want to open this one. Okay, we're going to open this one. Oh, this paper.
Oh, lots of paper, huh?
Oh, what is this? Play-Doh! It's Play-Doh!
No way.
No way.
That's your favorite thing.
Yes! More Play-Doh up here. Look at it! That's enough!
Wow.
Get this one.
It's Play-Doh Plus.
Play-Doh Plus!
Even better than Play-Doh.
Let's take this one. Oh, my neck somehow. Oh, what is it?
You have no idea. You're going to love it.
Wow!
It's a unicorn popper.
Yeah! Why don't open that? I'm going to open it. This one is heavy. This one is heavy.
Is it heavy?
Yes, it's heavy. What is this?
I don't know. You tell me.
Oh. Oh, puppy poop.
Puppy poop.
Wow, 6 of them.
You remember that one? It's Doggy Doo.
Puppy too.
You remember watching him on YouTube?
Hey, Mama.
Oh. Puppy poop.
Puppy poop.
Did you see what I wrote on the front?
Huh?
All this cool stuff.
What is it?
It's a tether ball.
Tether ball.
You put it blows up, and you put water in it, and you play with it outside in the summer.
Yes.
Summer's almost here. Cool.
Here. With this, so heavy.
So heavy.
Come on, get the big table. What is this? Mama, what is this? It's a pizza. Come on.
Is that a tent?
Tent.
Is that a new tent? Because your other one's ripped?
Oh, no. Wow.
Again, time for the party.
Wow. So cool. Look.
Maybe we can play with it tonight. What do you think? Here, you want to open your clothes?
Yes.
Bring in here. Oh, there's nothing in there.
Oh, nothing. Oh, no, it's that.
What is that?
It's not pop.
They make your tongue different colors.
Yeah. Let's try to open it.
You want me to open them? Can you open your presents first?
Wow.
Thanks, Rylan. Yeah. Yes. There's nothing in there. Those are the best presents, Rylan. What are you doing? Oh. Thanks, Rylan. Where's your Star Wars one? Look what Daddy got ya.
Wow.
Who's that?
The Peter.
Yeah, it is Darth Vader.
This one.
At least she's picking them up after she did that. Okay, we got one more present for you.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Keep them closed. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Ooh.
Okay, open them. Is that your favorite one? That's your present from Daddy.
My present.
Look.
My present.
Yeah.
You can make a cake. Close your
Close my
eyes.
eyes.
Oh, she's gonna give you something now.
Wanna get my present? Get some more present for you?
Oh, I wonder what it's gonna be.
I don't know.
Don't open your eyes, Daddy. Close them.
Close up. Close eyes. Close eyes. I know. Close eyes. Close eyes. I can't find it. Close eyes.
Well, look
Okay.
for it. I can't find it. We don't know yet. Uh-oh. Okay, close your eyes, Daddy.
This
She's
is Lucy, guys.
Oh.
What is it?
tissue paper. Oh, it's what he's always wanted. Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy. This paper.
Yeah.
No, you say thank you, Daddy.
Yeah, thank you, Daddy.
No.
Some bananas.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, puppy dog.
Okay,
For other
Or
presents.
Kale.
You want to play doggy do?
Well, yeah.
How about we eat cake?